As the saying goes, you're better off building a $10 hole for a $1 plant than a $1 hole for a $10 plant. In order for your plants to perform at their absolute best, they need a nutritious, moist, microbiologically rich base to draw from.
Seamungus is a plant and soil conditioner and a health tonic for all plant and soil types. It combines beneficial microbes, fish, seaweed, humic acid and manure to create the perfect growing environment all year round and building resilience to heat, drought, frost, pests and diseases.
Seamungus works with all plant and soil types alongside your regular fertilising routine and should be applied every 2 to 4 weeks year round. Just add 1 capful, around 40 millilitres, into a 10 litre watering can, then top it up with water to dilute.
The microbes in Seamungus are in a sleeping state until they're diluted, so be sure to not miss that step.
Apply it directly over the garden to soak the soil. You can keep and use any leftover diluted mix for up to a week after dilution. Seamungus is a powerful biological health tonic with 13 specifically selected microbes that boost growth above and below the ground while helping plants stay strong under stress.
It's perfect for establishing new plants and encouraging strong, healthy root growth, which will help your plants to perform at their optimum level. For more information, visit the Nutrog website or call into your local garden centre to shop the Nutrog range.